Back to another episode here, Bassin. I have to be a little bit down because people behind me are sleeping. Um, so we're gonna be going bass fishing again today. Sorry I haven't been posting in a while, but I have a few new camera angles that I wanna. Well, I only have one new camera angle that I'm going to show you guys, which is gonna be in time lapse. Never filmed in that, so this should be new. And take a look at my shirt. If I can get this camera up high enough. Well, you can't see it like that, but you can see it. Florida Flats. I want to shout out to my buddy who gave me this last night at East Bay Raceway Park, Kyle Cruz. And shout out to him. Go follow him on Instagram at Florida Flats Fishwear, and let's get today started. And well, this camera, but hopefully we catch them on top water. We're actually going to the river, so I don't know if we're going to use top water. But let's get today started. What are you throwing?
That right there.
This is where we caught some of the fish last time.
Probably have to get a weight going this.
I want to try that. Okay, so there's 3 bass over here. One was on the bed and then we spooked one. What do you think those fish were doing? Going on? Oh, he just threw it. I don't feel bad. Let's see if you see that boat. There's a sunken boat here. How big do you think this thing is?
16 feet.
Gotta talk louder.
About 16 feet.
Wonder what year it was.
Oh, but it was stripped.
Guys, I got a good fish on. It's a nice fish. Oh. The way he looked in the water, he was big. First fish of the day, guys. Not a bad one. That's a nice fish. So today's gonna be over. Didn't even catch much fish. Okay. Well, today, I don't know how to explain today. It was just garbage. I managed to catch that one fish, which you guys will see. I didn't catch no pictures for it, but it was nothing big. I thought it was a lot bigger than what I thought it was. So I am hungry, so I'm gonna go get food, and I'm gonna end this video right here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode of Carabassin, and I will be making another video when I do my MTB unboxing about these shirts and who I got them from and who to go follow. So see you guys on the next episode of Carabassin.